Well, whilst I've been looking around the orchard, I've just cast a glance back onto the feeder, and I've had to put this clip in again. The lesser spotted woodpecker. Excuse me. I have said before, this is the rarest woodpecker in the country, and I do like to get this down on film whenever I can. I just see his tongue going in and out there. I hope the camera's picking up on that. You can see his tongue going in and out. But I think he's very glad that he can pick and choose his times when he can come and take nuts from this feeder, especially on a morning like this morning. He's a feisty little chap, but no doubt when the great spotted sees him on there, if he's anywhere around, he'll be turfed off immediately. Oh, I can hear the chirping of the tree sparrows. They're obviously around. I think he's just seen one of them off. But he's a smashing little chap. A real delight to see on a winter's morning. Well, any morning, but on a morning like this morning even more so.